Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And you guys see this cart full of stuff? Oh my God. CVS is amazing. So, guys, when you get to CVS, just make sure that you are scanning everything that is summer. Most of the signs say that everything is 50% off, but I was finding that the summer stuff is actually scanning 75% off. Even things that you wouldn't even think would be on sale. But I will tell you that the like igloo coolers that are on wheels, those are still full price. And I think because they know that they can definitely sell them at full price in next year, but the other coolers and things are all 75% off. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. So this is just some of the stuff that I got. I'm going to go over everything with you guys in the video individually. So in the video, I will show you the UPCs at the red box, as well as I will scan them at the red box so you can see the original price as well as the sale price. So remember, this is just some of the stuff. They also have some toys that are 75% off, but I didn't take the time to do those. All different things that are assorted. So if you want something or you're interested in something, just scan it and see what happens. You'd be surprised. It just may come up 75% off. I also know that there's lawn chairs that are 75% off. Unfortunately, I didn't get to scan any of those because this store that I was at, all the lawn chairs were gone. But I know there's lawn chairs that are ringing up for like $5 and some. So there's some really good deals, guys. Just make sure that you scan before you go to the register, because I don't want you to assume that something is 75% off and then it's really only 50% off, or it's just regular price like the igloo coolers. So guys, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know what clearance finds you have found down in the comments. Share this video with your friends and family. And remember, just because it's not in your store at this particular moment doesn't mean that it won't be there when they get their truck. Or just because it's not 75% off at your store today doesn't mean that it won't be. Remember, everyone's stores are different. Everyone's prices are different. So yours might not be 75% off this week. It might be 75% off next week. Just keep on checking. Be patient. And just be prepared to save when your store does get those prices. Okay, guys. So even though this sign says summer fans are 50% off, they are actually ringing up 75% off. So this one and the black one, I'm going to get the UPC for you guys. They're ringing up $9.99. Hold on, let me lift this up because I want to show you the UPC. Okay, that is the UPC for the black one. Regularly $39.99 is ringing up $9.99. Now let me get the one for the white one. Oh shoot. Okay, here is the SKU for the white one. Okay, $9.99. Okay, guys, so we have some more things that are 75% off. So let me show you. So this lunch bag, lunch cooler, personal cooler is $2.50. You see it holds six cans. Here's another one, regularly $9.99, rings up $2.50. Again, this one holds 6 coolers, 6 cans per cooler. And then there's one more design that they have here, and that is this one right here. Again, regularly $9.99, rings up $2.50. Here's another one, and I'm trying to move so you guys can get it in the picture. This one is $6.99, regularly $27.99. Very nice with all kind of compartments. And this one holds 30 cans. This one is also 75% off. This one is a rolling one, as you can see. Okay. And this one is $12.50. This is another one, just like that one. It's just a different design. And this one is also $12.50. The same exact one, just different colors. So those are the same. Okay. Then there's another one. This one is $6.25, and as you can see, it's a two-in-one. It's a two-in-one cooler. So this is everything. So this is everything that I'm going to get today. So we will review our receipt shortly. Okay guys, so I'm back at home, so let's review our receipt. The first item on the receipt is the 12-can cooler and tote. I forgot to show you the price on the red box, but it was regularly $24.99, 75% off. It comes to $6.25. Then you see the fan, which comes down to $9.99, regularly $39.99. The 30-can cooler for $27.99 comes down to $6.99. The 50-can rolling cooler was regularly $49.99, comes down to $12.50. And you see I got two of those, two different designs. And then the 6-can coolers, you see I had got three different designs on those. Those were $9.99 and they come down to $2.50. So you see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 8 items. And my total would have been $55 and some change, but I used my extra bucks to pay for it. So that is what I got for my clearance items. So make sure you guys search through your store, see what you can find. Come back and let me know what you come up with. And until the next time, keep on saving.